Hello, today I am going to discuss something different, something for teachers. During past few years, every year the pattern of progress card is changed and the calculation system of progress card also changed. So earlier it was fixed, so we use for a long time, but nowadays every 2-3 years the pattern of the progress card changing. So we are having CCE progress card lengthy, where we have to fill up all the entries, all the scholastics as well as co-scholastic areas. So now there are so many softwares to print the progress report of the students. Now I have prepared the small programming using only Excel sheets. No net is required for this. So have a look on this. These are the name of the students. You can change it. This is name. Our house system is there. So this is house name. So this is date of birth written in the form of day, month, year. This is father's names, mother's names are required. Now these are the marks of different subjects of different exams. So now as per the requirement, so these are the various exam. This is subject wise English, then Hindi, higher Hindi, this is lower Assamese, like this. Whatever the exams are there, this is first term, then again all the subjects. This is only for one term 1. So now have a look on this. So this is only for term 1. I prepare for term 2, that is combined term 1 and term 2. So now see the pattern, whatever the marks, this is the detailed information of the students. The roll number of the student, name of the student, this is house. Our school is having house system. So house, this is date of birth in 3 different cells, father's names, mother's name, and these are the marks area, that is whatever the marks in different exam got. So now we can change as per the requirement. So this the marks of the students of one particular section we can increase into any numbers, no problem. Now this is the sheet. This is the pattern of the sheet, mark sheet. This is our school logo. This is our society logo. I am from Sainik School, Goalpara. So this is report card for 6 to 8. 6 to 8 means 6 to 8 is having one pattern. After that 9 and 10 is having one pattern. For class 10 only, for term 1 and term 2 will be given by the board only. This is academic session 21-22. We can change. This is the format. We can change anything. So now these are the information. This is the pattern of the progress card of a particular student. So this is date of issue. Now see, we can change everything. So here this is today's date is 29/07/22. So it will automatically come in this. This is date of issue 29 July 2022. Now see here, these are the students. If I change say roll number anything 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is something else, say Ajay Kumar, and whatever mother's name, father's name, anything you change, so automatically it will come here. So see here, name is, roll number is I have given this one, Ajay Kumar, date of birth is this, mother's name, father's name, everything. Now if you want to change the mark, as well as you also come say this is out of 40. If you give him 38, automatically it will come. It will show this. This is coming 38. Everything will be checked. Now this is for one student. So here you can change. This is serial number 1. If you here up to 32 is there, you will get the progress card available up to 32. If I am writing 23, so everything will be changed. 23 means which is on the serial number 23, Shailesh Kumar, this. Automatically it is coming here. So now this is not required. We require that we have to take the printout of this. Automatically it is coming. What is his roll number? What is his name, date of birth, everything is coming here. Is its performance. This is let me check. This is anyone say 28.5 in English. This 28.5 in English. First subject 2.5. This is our internal marking. This is PT3, this is multiple assessment portfolio. Whatever the criteria are there as per this is the design of the progress card. Automatically it is coming. Now we can take it print out. We can save in the form of PDF one by one. So I think this you can create all t-shirts. This my presentation is basically for t-shirts without wasting much time. So earlier whatever the CC pattern, so at least we have to fill up it manually. We have to spend at least 30 to 45 minutes to write one particular progress card. Now here simply we have to fill up. Now every school are maintaining their record like this. They prepare their result for all exams. Now this is the automatic generation of progress card. Easily they can develop it. I hope you like this. Whatever program is there, so we can change it. We can change the number of students. We can add 100, 200, no problem. But generally, basically, we use for section wise, in a section, maximum 40 to 45 students are there. So for them, we can make a Excel sheet. After that, one by one, we can take print out of the progress card. Thank you. I hope all of you like it.